Okay, so let's do another one. 2 times by x plus 3. And let's graph this one. 2x plus 3. Okay, so this one, if you distribute, you get 2x plus 6. Which of these two is actually horizontal shift 3 units to the left? Is it this one or is it this one? Okay, let's follow the same logic. What happens before the square rooting? If you're to plug in a number in here, okay, for this first one, you first add 3 and then you times it by 2. This one here is different. Before the square root, you first times by 2. Do you see how instead of adding by 3, we're timesing it by 2 and then we're adding 3. So the horizontal transformation for this one is you have to undo this first and then undo that. This one here, you have to undo this first. Okay, so you get x minus 3 and then undo that second. So which one actually adds 2x, right, or subtract a 3? This one does. This one actually, you subtract 3, but you're going to end up dividing that by 2. So that 3 gets divided by 2. This 3 is not divided by anything. So if you plot if you transform the origin, you get here negative 3, 0. So look at the origin. It moved negative 3 units. Here, do you see it's going to be a minus 3 over 2, which is 1.5 and 0. Plug in 1, you get minus 2.5 and 1, and plug in 4 and 2, you get minus 1 and 2. Okay. You get negative 1 and 1. 4 and 2, you get a half and 2. Okay, so let's plot this. Negative 1, 2, 3, 0, and then negative 2.5 and 1, and negative 1 and 2. Okay, so you get that. It's clearly shifted 3 units to the left. But this one here, we're at negative 1.5 and 0, and negative 1 and 1, and half. So half and 2. Clearly, it has not been shifted. Okay, this is very, very important that you notice the difference between these two. Okay, I literally see every single year, half of the students make this mistake, confusing this one with horizontal shift of 3 units to the left.